And this doctor, he's interested. This is a classic. It's human nature. We all want to be in a position to have, a lot of money come our way, a big return on an investment come our way in a very short period of time, right? That's exciting. That's interesting, right? All right, and welcome in to another fun-filled episode of CFP Reacts. I'm so glad that you're here. My name is Scott Schiller, and I'm a board-certified financial planner. And the purpose of this channel is to react to the best and worst financial advice in social media and to have a little bit of fun with it as well. And so, the purpose of tuning in is to gain knowledge, get some information, and really gain a professional's view of what you're seeing out there in social media. And so, in today's video, I'm really excited to do this one for you. This one's going to be a little bit different. I thought I would shake it up in this episode and react to a scene from one of my favorite movies. This movie is named Boiler Room. It came out way back. It's an old school movie back in the 1990s. And the story centers around a young man who is really just trying to find his way and ends up at this financial institution where they are selling stocks, penny stocks, and a penny stock is a stock that is priced typically under $5 per share. These are going to be smaller startup companies, okay? And so the purpose of a boiler room, and the reason why it's called a boiler room is to get people involved in these stocks and to sell them and receive a very, very high commission or pay for selling them. And really it's a scam where the investor invest their money in, and very, very few, oftentimes, they lose all their money because these companies are producing, aren't creating any products, aren't generating any earnings, and ultimately aren't returning anything to their actual investors who are the owners. So when you buy stock, you become the owner of the company. And so this clip here, it's about a phone call, and it's really a great example of what to look out for, certainly from phone calls from financial professionals, so to speak here. And so let's go ahead and jump right into it.
I'm really busy, sir.
No, I understand, doctor. I'm really busy here myself. Look, we're gonna come back to you in 1 month with one idea and one idea only. If you like what we have to say, great. We'll do business. If not, worst case scenario, you're gonna hear yourself a new business idea.
Whoever took that X-ray, it is useless.
We're gonna part as friends. That's fair, right?
What?
Doc, are you working with $1 million in the market right now?
Who is this again?
Hey, tell me something.
Okay, so who is this again? I love that. This is a good example of what's called a cold call, right? So this gentleman, Seth, here is a salesperson, and he is calling this doctor. This doctor does not know who he is. And his first question, of course, are you working with $1 million in the market? And so the purpose of asking that question is to get some dialogue going, to gain interest, and to start the conversation about purchasing stock.
Tell me something. You're a doctor. Have you ever heard of a drug called Benadryl? It's being manufactured by MSC Pharmaceuticals.
No.
Well, listen, okay? Listen, it's in the 3rd stage of FDA approval, all right? Word is it's going to be approved within the next 3 months. And it could be tomorrow for all I know. But, I'm getting ahead of myself.
Okay, so when he says word is, that's like a rumor, so to speak, right? So, word is there's a rumor that this company is going to produce this great product and the stock price is going to soar and everything like that. As rumors or information, public information becomes available, that is going to be immediately built into the stock price as you see it. So if you were to go in and look at any ticker symbol, punch in any ticker symbol to any stock, what you're going to find is the price of that stock is already going to price in any public knowledge, any knowledge that is known, such as a potential drug that is, and in the 3rd stage of FDA approval, as in this movie. I love it anyway. If it's not public information, then it's what's called insider information or inside information, and it's actually illegal. It's against securities law to trade upon inside information that is not made public. You could face potential criminal penalties for actually trading on that. So anyway, let's continue.
And you're real busy over there, so why don't I just send you out the information you requested about the firm?
No, wait. Forget the info. Let's talk about this now. What was the name of that drug again?
Could you hold on for 1 second? I'm gonna get a senior broker who's a little more familiar with that particular stock, all right? Hold on a second, okay? 1 second.
Well, hold on, Seth. You just called. Shouldn't you be familiar with that stock, right?
Rocco!
Okay, and this doctor, he's interested. This is a classic. It's human nature. We all want to be in a position to have, a lot of money come our way, a big return on an investment come our way in a very short period of time, right? That's exciting. That's interesting, right? And so, anytime you're promising, okay, hey, this is going to be this great appreciation in this individual stock, it's not difficult to see how somebody would be interested in that.
Hard.
Okay, so his name's Dr. Jacobs, and I'd say from the sound of it, he's definitely...
Well, I don't want to hear it, kid.
Okay.
Hi, Dr. Jacobs. This is Chris Marlin over at JT Marlin.
Marlin?
Right,
Okay, so the sales tactic that he's about to use, he really doesn't need any information. He's going to do this to pretty much the same way to anyone.
Father.
He's my mother.
So my associate tells me you're interested in one of our stocks.
Your wife's on break.
I will call her back. Yes, MSC sounds like it might be interesting.
Might be. Might be doesn't sell stock at the rate MSC is going for, Dr. Jacobs. We're talking very high volume here.
Oh, well, I still have to run it by my people.
That's great, Doc, if you want to miss yet another opportunity here and watch your colleagues get rich doing clinical trials and don't buy a share.
I still need to run it by my people. That would be a very, very good idea. Also, by the way, high volume, all that just means what volume is how many shares are bought and sold in a trading day. So just because something has high volume it certainly doesn't indicate it's something it deems as a good investment, okay? Just high volume does not mean, okay, this is a good investment.
Your colleagues get rich doing clinical trials and don't buy a share and hang up the phone.
Well, hold on a second now. I didn't say that. I just want to talk about it some more.
Honestly, Doc, I don't have the time. This stock is blowing up right now. The whole firm's going nuts. Hold on, let me open up the door to my office. See that, Doc? That's my trading floor. Now I have 1 million calls to make to them.
Again, also not a good indication of something that would be a good investment. They could be yelling and screaming about, selling the stock for all this doctor knows, which means the price would be going down.
Doc, that's my trading floor. Now I have 1 million calls to make to 1 million other doctors who are already in the know. I can't walk you through this right now. I'm sorry.
Okay, let's do this.
Now, since you're a new account, I cannot go any higher than 2,000 shares. I'm sorry.
2,000?
Are you nuts? That is way beyond what I was thinking.
2,000?
In 2000, here's the thing about this as well. This is just a simplified Hollywood movie scene, of course, but 2,000 shares, that could mean, could be anything. If the share is $1, the share price is $1, that would be a $2,000 investment, right? If the share price is $10, well, that would be a $20,000 investment, right? So that's not discussed here in this call, is as to what the share price is. So this doctor really has no idea what's actually being invested here.
2,000?
Jesus! Listen, I'm curious. Why can't you
Tell me any more than that.
Well, we like to establish a relationship with our clients on something small before we get to the more serious trades. Let me show you several percentage points on this small trade, and then we'll talk about doing future business.
That sounds good. Give me the 2,000 shares.
Done.
You sure you can't do any better on this one?
I'm sorry, Dr. Jacobs. I can't. I'm sorry.
No, all right, we'll start with this trade then.
Great. I promise we'll swing for the fences on the next one. Do you want that confirmation sent to your office or your mansion?
Very funny, Mr. Marlin.
Let me put my secretary on, and she'll take down your info. It was a pleasure doing business with you. Done and done.
All right. All right, and so very interesting stuff there. You have a situation where, he's able to get the doctor on the hook, right? And get him to invest money. when really it's just really not a good investment overall in terms of knowledge about this company and what is expected and everything like that. And so it's just a fun scene from a movie. In real life, you certainly wouldn't want to make investment decisions based on this. Too many people, too many investors in my age group, the millennial professionals, we get sucked into get rich quick, cryptocurrencies, penny stocks, all types of things where it's really the main selling point is, hey, this is an investment that is going to grow very quickly and make you a lot of money in a short period of time. Typically with investing, the main first thing we want to do is have a plan and put that together and implement it into your entire financial picture, and that's the best way to go about it. And so anyway, I hope you enjoyed my video today. Please like and subscribe, and in the comments below, let me know what you think. Good, bad, whatever it is, and also any other videos that you would like me to react to. I'd be happy to do that and get it done for you. So thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.